It's lunchtime now, and we're gonna go down and light the charcoal stove.
In the morning, I had to shout at them. They were fighting.
Yeah, I heard that.
Hey, they are fighting. Good enough they listen to me when I tell them stop fighting, they will stop. They are fighting.
They like following you.
Yeah.
Hello, Simba.
They are fighting.
Where the rabbits and the hens live. And we're going to feed it some cabbage. Here, do you want to...
They chew very fast.
Yeah, they must like the cabbage. After 2 hours of hard work, lunch is ready. Juma, what are we having today?
Today for lunch we have matoke, which is starchy bananas, and the purple you see here is groundnuts, which is pretty much peanuts with the covers milled in together. We also have beans. Brown here we have some rice, and we have some greens, spinach I believe. So in this meal you have your protein, you have your starch, and you have your fiber and iron.